Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com. This duplex villa for sale in Bavaro is nestled in Vista Cana. It's priced from $355,000, offers 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 1 guest restroom. Spanning 4,329.5 square feet for land and 2,023.7 square feet for construction, this villa for sale in Bavaro defines elegance. Explore the golf course, fishing lake, and ecological pathway. Revel in the recreational park, sports area, and nearby restaurants. A school within the community fosters education, while a commercial area satisfies retail needs. Step inside to discover an inviting living at this Punta Cana villa for sale. A dining area and a modern kitchen with a breakfast nook and an outdoor haven. A terrace with a barbecue area and a private swimming pool. Convenience meets luxury with a service room, designated washing area, and 2 dedicated parking spaces. Make this duplex villa for sale in Bavaro your haven, where each day brings new possibilities and comforts. For your dream home, visit our website PuntaCanaVilla.com. Our convenient payment plan reserve with $3,000, after signing the contract 15%, during construction 25%, and 60% at the time of delivery. Your haven awaits.